How long the class will be?
How long?
How long the demo will be?
Like you were asking starting time, na?
Yeah,
Just five,
starting time and
just
and the 45 minutes of 1 hour
45,
and
45 minutes,
what?
below 1 hour
Oh,
only, below 1 hour.
okay, Andy.
Just
Okay.
today is the first session, na? So the people will
Yeah,
join
yeah,
soon.
yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Andy.
Hi, Navdesh.
Hi, sir.
Nowadays, just to wait for the 5 to 10 minutes of time, then we will start the session.
Sure, sir.
Lakshmi, are you there, na? Lakshmi? Lakshmi ma'am, are you there, na? Hello, Lakshmi or Vizia ma'am? Anyone there? Fine. Team, very good morning. Uma, please unmute and try to interact with me also.
Sure. Hey, Sama, this is Uma.
Yeah, yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
So the career IT is a institute
Yes,
for
yes,
the.
it's an institute.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, fine. Uma, what is full stack? Now this,
Okay.
please reply. What is full stack? End-to-end development. End-to-end development called as full stack development. Am I right or not? Complete development. End-to-end development. End-to-end development called as full stack development. Fine. Now this, and one more point. Full stack development includes, now there's any idea? Full stack development includes what? Includes front
Front
end,
end development. Yeah.
front end, next one,
Back
back
end.
end, back end, next one, Uma, back end, next one,
Database.
database, next one is the cloud deployment like AWS cloud, Microsoft Azure cloud, GCP, Google cloud messaging, Google cloud platform, GCP cloud. So many clouds are there. Not only that one, AI tools integration. So then this
Mhm.
development we can call full stack development. Nowadays, please unmute. Fine. Nowadays, full stack development includes what? Front end development, back end development, next one, database integration, next one, CI/CD pipeline like DevOps, next one, AI tools integration. Fine. Now, Uma, what is front end? Uma,
Front end
what
is
is
the
front end?
user interface.
Exactly,
Like what we are seeing,
That is
like
called
if
as
you see the Google, yeah, that is the front
the
end.
front end. User able to interact. Am I right or not? Customer, end user able to interact, called as what? Front end. Fine. Uma, say this one. For example, let me go through the Flipkart. I wanted to go to the Flipkart. Are we able to interact with the button? Yes or not?
Yes. Yes.
Are we able to interact with the particular division? Yes, we are able to interact. As a customer, I'm able to interact. As a end user, I'm able to interact. Called as what? Called as front end. Got it or not? And another thing. Now try to say the one more point. How to implement the front end? To implement a front end, to develop a front end. And here we have HTML. Uma, which technology we have? HTML. Fine. What is HTML? Can you please answer what is HTML? Whatever
Hyper,
you need to tell. What is HTML? HTML stands for HTML
hypertext
stands for answer.
mark.
Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Why HTML? HTML is used to develop web pages. What kind of web pages? Static web pages. Coming to the HTML used to develop static web pages. Fine. Now, Uma, say this one for example.
చేసుకుంటే బాగుంది లేకపోతే ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్స్ తీసుకోనా?
Yeah, say this one. Sudha, say Uma, say this one. For example, this is one web page. Like whatever the page we are seeing, this is nothing but the one web page. Am I right or not? And go to the another web page. I need to go to the another web page. For example, this is the another web page. To develop these kind of web pages, we will use HTML. Got it or not? And another thing, what is the current version of HTML? The current version of HTML is the HTML 5.x. Fine. Now this, can you please talk with me? What is the current version of the HTML? Now this reply. Uma, can you please reply here?
HTML5.
The current version of HTML is the HTML 5.x. So, as part of our training, we will discuss up to HTML 5.x. Got it or not? Fine. Now, Uma, after completing the HTML, immediately I need to go through one more technology, which one? CSS. One more course, then that one we can call the CSS. Fine. So, what is the CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Uma, what is CSS?
Cascading style
Cascading Style
sheet.
Sheet. Fine. Uma, say this one. For example, what is the background color here? What is the background color? Blue.
Yeah.
What is the text color? White. Blue color. Next one is the white color. Are we able to see the margins? Right margin, left margin, top margin, bottom margin. So many margins are there. Na? Margin means a gap. Yes or not? And to apply these kind of styles only, we will use CSS. Yes or not? What we need to use? We need to use the CSS. And try to say this one. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. And why CSS? CSS used to apply styles. Fun. Which styles? Can you tell the example for the styles? Color.
Colors,
Color.
formatting.
Exactly. Color. Next one is the background color. Background color. Next one. Background color. Next one. Margin. Margin. And here we have another thing here. Margin. Next.
Font.
Here we have another thing here. Padding. Next one. Here we have the font. You told the font, na?
Yeah. Font
Font
sizes.
size, color, like this also. So many things we have. Fun.
Like bullets.
Exactly. Bullet points. Like so many things are there.
Radio buttons, yeah.
Exactly. Uma, do you have any idea regarding the latest version? CSS 3.x. The latest version is the CSS 3.x. Yes or not? So, as part of our training, I will discuss up to the CSS 3.x. Got it or not? Now, Tesh, please unmute yourself. Next one. And another thing, after completing the CSS, immediately, I will discuss with you JavaScript. Fun. Uma, what is the third topic? JavaScript. So, why JavaScript? Uma, if I click a login button, whenever we click the login button, some action performed or not?
Yes.
Yes or not? This is called as the dynamic web page. To implement these kind of dynamic web pages, we will use JavaScript. Got the clarity now? Say this one. To perform some task, some action. Fun. Uma, say this one. For example, I wanted to click request OTP. If I click some action performed or not?
Yes.
What is the action? Please enter valid email ID or mobile number. Some action performed or not? Performing action like this, we can call dynamic web page. In order to develop dynamic web pages, we have one technology, then that technology we can call the JavaScript. Got it or not? Fine. Uma, can you tell the direct point here why JavaScript? JavaScript used to develop
Dynamic web pages.
now please unmute yourself. Dynamic web pages. Fine. And another thing is the which company released Netscape company. And what is the current version? The current version is the ES13. What is ES? ES stands for ECMAScript. What is ES? ES stands for what? ES stands for ECMAScript. Fine. Uma, don't feel bored here. Just to tell the highlights again here. What is HTML? What is HTML? HTML stands
Hypertext markup language.
Why HTML?
To develop the static web pages.
Exactly. To develop what? To develop static web pages, we will use what? We will use the HTML. What is the latest version?
HTML 5.x.
HTML 5.x. The latest version is the HTML 5.x. How to apply styles?
Using CSS, we apply the styling.
What is the current version? What is the current latest version? What is the latest version?
CSS 3.x.
How to develop dynamic web pages?
Using a JavaScript, we develop the dynamic web pages.
Which company given the JavaScript?
So let's go.
Netscape company, Netscape. And what is the latest version?
ES 13.
ES stands for ECMAScript. ES stands for what? ECMAScript. So, Uma, after successful completion of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, immediately we need to go for one more topic, very important topic. Then that topic we can call React.js. Very important in the industry. So this is one of the mandatory topic for the developers. Fine. What is React.js? React.js is the JavaScript library. Uma, what is React.js? React.js is the JavaScript library. Why React.js? React.js is used to develop web applications. Which applications? Which
Web
applications?
applications.
In order to develop web applications, we will use React.js. Fine. Now, which company released Facebook? React.js released by Facebook. And what is the latest version? Latest version is the 19.x. What is the latest version? 19.x. Fine. Now, yeah, say this one. For example, here we have the Facebook. Fine. Whatever the Facebook we have, the complete Facebook, whatever the Facebook website we have, the complete Facebook website developed by using what? React.js only. Got it or not? Not only that one. You know the like what do you call Netflix? Netflix website also implemented by using React.js. Very important. Fine. Now, Uma, tell me, is it a JavaScript library? Reply. Team, are you there? Yeah. Is it a
Yes, I'm
JavaScript
here.
library? Yes,
Sorry, I
yes.
missed it.
Yeah, say
I
this one.
missed the question.
Yeah, next one. So what is the use of React.js?
To develop the web applications,
Web, which company released it?
Facebook,
What is the latest version?
19x.
19.x, 19.2.3. I think for every month they're giving the new releases. Fine. Next one.
Mhm.
After completing the front-end development, immediately we need to go for the back-end development. Let me go for back-end development. In the back-end development, mainly I need to put core Java. Have you heard about the core Java?
Yes.
Yeah, say this one. But before going to backend, I will let you know why we need to choose the backend. Fine. Now, yeah, Uma, this is the web page. Say this one. This is the web page developed by using front end or not.
Yes.
Yeah, Uma, say this one. Right click,
Inspect.
inspect, and page source. Otherwise, say this one. Right click, view page source. Are we able to see the source code?
Yes.
Are we? Yes. Is it secured or not secured? Not secured. Are we? I think we are able to see the source code. So this is the problem of front-end technologies to provide security to business logic. Then we need to choose back-end technologies. Which back-end technology? Java. Got it or not? Why we need to move to back-end? Now, if possible, please unmute. Now, why we need to choose the backend? By using front-end technologies, we are unable to provide security because we are able to read the source code. In order to provide security to business logic, then all the companies are looking for the backend developers. Fine. In the backend training, initially we need to put the focus on which topic? We need to put the focus on which topic? Core Java. Fine. Uma, in the core Java, now I need to put the focus on language fundamentals. Language
Mhm.
fundamentals. Next one is the OOPS. Have you heard about OOPS?
Yes.
Like object-oriented programming
The
system.
program concept. Mhm.
Yeah, encapsulation, abstraction, class, object, inheritance. So many OOPS concepts are there. Very depth information we will discuss as part of our training. Next one. After completing the OOPS, then we need to go for the multi-threading. Multi-threading. Next one. After completing the multi-threading, immediately we need to go for exceptional handling. exceptional handling. Next one, after completing the exceptional handling, immediately we need to put the focus on collection framework. Like a set, map, so many, I think so many internal concepts are there. So let me discuss about a collection framework. After completing the collection framework, immediately I need to go for the Java 8 features. Like this also, so many core Java concepts we have. All the core Java concepts I will discuss as part of our training. Fine. Uma, after completing the core Java, immediately we need to go for Spring Boot. Very, very important. Spring Boot and microservices. Fine. Now there's a say this one. Why Spring Boot and microservices? Mainly to implement REST APIs. Mainly to implement what? Mainly to implement the REST APIs. Fine. Uma, REST APIs means what? Get request. Get request, post request, next one, put
Update.
request, update means put request, delete request, head request, like this also. So many things we have. We have the number of things. So all the REST API calls I will discuss as part of our training. Fine. Not only REST APIs, REST APIs, I need to discuss with you authentication authentication and authentication and authorization, very very important. Authentication and authorization topics also very very important. So let me discuss about authentication and authorization topics also. Fine. Yeah, coming to the authentication, mainly I need to put the focus on JWT authentication, like JSON Web Token authentication, very very important. Yeah, very, very important while working with the organizations. Fine. Not only that one, I will discuss with you social media authentications also, like Gmail login. Next one, Facebook authentication. Next one, Twitter authentication. Like this also, so many authentication techniques we have. All the authentication techniques we will discuss as part of our training. So very, very important, Spring Boot and microservices. Fun. After completing the Spring Boot and microservices, so this is the information which is related to backend development. Fun. After completing or before completing the backend development, immediately I need to go for database topics. Fun. Uma, mainly we have the two types of databases. First one is the SQL databases. Second one is the what is the second one? NoSQL databases. Uma, how many types of databases we have? We have the two types of databases. First one, SQL databases. Second one is the NoSQL databases. Coming to the SQL databases, I will discuss with you MySQL database. Funny, create a basic queries, create, read, update, delete. So many queries we have, like triggers, sub queries, joins, so many topics. Yeah, all the topics I need to discuss as part of our training. Next one, not only that one, I will discuss with you NoSQL database also. Especially in the NoSQL database, I will discuss with you MongoDB database. Very, very important in the companies, MongoDB database. So as part of our training, I will discuss with you two types of databases. First one, SQL databases. Second one, NoSQL databases also. Yeah, Uma, after completing the database concepts, now I will discuss with you DevOps topics. DevOps, especially in the DevOps, I will discuss with
CI/CD tool.
CI/CD tool, CI/CD pipeline. Fun. In the CI/CD pipeline, I will discuss with you one repository. So GitHub. Otherwise, I will discuss with you GitLab. Otherwise, I will discuss with you Bitbucket, and like this also, I think maybe GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, based on the majority of the people. For example, in our training, maybe so many members will join. Maybe today is the first session. I think maybe Saturday, so the people not joining it. Maybe Monday the people will join. Based on the majority of the people, if the people are asked, Samba, go for the GitLab, I will choose the GitLab. If the people are asking, Samba, please go to the Bitbucket, we will choose the Bitbucket. Anyhow, I need to provide awareness of all the three repositories. Fine. Now, not only that one, and another.
So I got a question, Samba.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
So mostly which repo they
In the real
in
time,
our
yeah.
companies use, yeah.
Yeah. In my company, from the past 10 years onwards, we are using the GitLab. It's a secured,
Okay.
GitLab is a secured. But
Okay.
coming
In
to
my
you,
company, like when
Hmm.
I joined, I started using, we used GitHub first,
Hmm.
then they migrated to Bitbucket.
Yeah, Bitbucket. But GitLab is the more secured. GitLab and Bitbucket also. GitLab is little bit cheaper compared to the Bitbucket.
Okay.
Commercial wise, it's a little bit high. So that's why the companies are giving the priority to the GitLab. Next priority goes to the Bitbucket. Coming to the
Yeah,
features wise,
that's the reason they moved to GitHub to Bitbucket, but for the
Bitbucket.
security purpose. Yeah.
Exactly. Security. I think it has more features, security, user friendly, so many things other. But cost also high. Cost also high. Fine. Now, and another thing is that I need you to discuss with you GitHub actions, like repository actions, like triggers kind of thing. Yeah, next one. After that, I need you to go for the one more CI/CD tool. Then the tool we can call Jenkins. And another thing, I need you to go for another tool here. Another tool. Then the tool we can call the Docker. And another thing, I need you to go for one more tool. Then the tool we can call Kubernetes. Next one, I need you to go to one more tool here, like a virtual server. What is the virtual server? EC2. EC2, which is present into where? AWS. By using all these tools, I will implement a CI/CD pipeline as part of our full stack training. Got it? Now, fine. Not only this one. At the last, I need you to go for the AI integrations also. Like Uma, like a chatbot.
Yeah,
This is a
chatbot,
chatbot. Exactly. This is a chatbot implemented by using AI, like NLP, natural language processing. Otherwise, I need you to go for the generative AI, like one of the famous technology available in the market that is called as the generative AI. Otherwise, I need to go for what? I need to go for agentic AI. So whatever it may be, by using these technologies, we have one application. Then that application we can call the chatbot application. This chatbot application, I need to integrate it to. I need to integrate it to either a front end or a back end. Yes, I think we can integrate it anything. The same chatbot application we can integrate it to Java or we can integrate it to React also. Then I will show that integration also. Okay, na? Uma, these are the topics we will cover as part of our full stack training. Fine. Uma, if you have any questions, please ask the questions. Do you
So
have any questions?
you said the JavaScript is a part of Java, or
No, it's a
JavaScript
front end.
is
Part of a front end. Java is different.
front end.
JavaScript is
Okay.
different. Java is different. JavaScript is different.
JavaScript is different. Yeah. Okay. So we use the JavaScript to do some actions on the static web pages for the front end.
Exactly. That is called as the JavaScript.
Okay. So backend we use core Java,
Core Java, Spring Boot, and microservices.
Spring Boot, and microservices. Okay. Okay. And so, do you help with resume preparation
Why
and
not?
mock interviews?
Like I think it's a simple. Then we will. I think the resume in the sense experience level resume na, or a fresher level resume. Experience level
I would like to
resume.
go with the experience resume.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And
So
is there any mock interviews or any interview support or
why
any
not?
kind
Why
of
not?
things they provide?
Why not? It's in our hand. Na? Definitely, we will provide the support. Resume
Okay.
preparation,
Yeah. Thank you.
resume preparation, and FAQs kind of thing, and the previous interview
Yeah.
questions. Everything we will help out. No need to worry. But I can give one assurance here. If you prepare along with me, definitely you can gain around the 3+ or 4+ years of experience. No doubt at all. Because
Okay.
currently I'm working on these technologies. Then you can get the clarity on that one. Then you can enjoy with these
Okay.
courses also. Okay.
Okay.
Satyapriya, can you please unmute? Satyapriya. Okay, fine. Yeah, Uma, I
Yes,
think
yes, yes.
Career IT people, they will reach you, they will approach you regarding the next session.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
Uma.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
fine.
Satya.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Samba.
Thank you, Samba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Satya
Bye
Priya.
bye. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
bye.
Can you share this recording with me?
Why not? I think they will collect your email ID maybe by the end of today or
Yeah.
tomorrow. They will
నేను
link.
సైన్ అప్ అయ్యాను. లైక్
Yeah,
నా
definitely.
డీటెయిల్స్ ఇచ్చానండి. ఒక్కసారి జస్ట్ రిమైండ్ దెమ్ టు సెండ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ అన్ ఈమెయిల్ విత్ దిస్ రికార్డింగ్.
Yeah, maybe.
So I'll
Maybe
take a look,
today.
and my
Yeah.
husband working as a full stack developer, Java
Oh,
developer.
okay,
So I
fine.
just want to talk to discuss with him about these all topics.
Yes.
Then we'll see.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so
Satya
much,
Priya.
Samba. Yeah, you did good. Thank
Mhm.
you.
Bye. Now,
Yeah. Bye.
Satya Priya, please try to unmute. Can you talk with
Yes,
me?
yes. Yes,
Yeah.
can you hear me
Satya,
now?
yeah, I'm able to hear. Yeah, Satya Priya, I hope you joined late now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, Satyapriya, coming to our training, full stack training, I will cover these modules: front-end development, back-end development, database, and DevOps, and AI tools also. Okay, na Satyapriya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think now coming to the front-end development, I will discuss HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. And coming to backend development also, I will discuss with you core Java, Spring Boot, and microservices. Very, very important. These topics we will cover as part of backend development. And coming to the databases also, I will discuss two types of databases. First one, SQL databases. Next one, NoSQL databases. Coming to the SQL, we will discuss MySQL database. Coming to the NoSQL, we will discuss MongoDB database. Got it now? Fun. And two types of databases we will cover. No need to worry. And another thing is that we will discuss DevOps sections also, like a complete CI/CD pipeline. And at the end of the course, we will integrate with the AI tools also. So this is our course agenda. Fun. Satyapriya, I think career IT people, they will share the recording to you because you joined the late na. Then you can watch the recording. Then you can get the clarity on the topics. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Any questions? If you have any questions, then ask me.
Yes, sir. Will this provide any job opportunities like any company's referral so that I can attend for the interviews?
Can you
Do they
please
have
reach
any?
out the career IT people? They will call you. I hope they will call you.
Actually,
And
my main aim was that I have experience on these topics only. AA I don't know.
mm,
I have experience with 4 years
mm,
full stack front end developer.
mm,
Backend I have Java basic topics.
mm.
I am searching for the new job.
Got it. Got it. Can you please reach out the career IT people because you are in
Yes.
abroad, na? You are in the US, na?
No,
You
no.
are
I
in
was in
India, na? You are
Hyderabad.
from India, na? Hyderabad, na?
Yeah.
Hyderabad in the sense, Satya. Uh, Wait here. Because we have institute in the career IT, like in the KPHP, we have the institute, training institute.
Yeah. I have heard. Yes.
But every month, one or two companies they will approach us to hire the freshers, not for the 4+ or 5+.
Okay.
It's better to reach the office and try to talk with the sir. Like Kondala sir will
Oh,
be there. Is a try to talk with him. If any references are there, definitely he will provide. Okay, na?
okay. It's better to reach your institute once, right?
Once and talk with the
Yeah.
sir, then he will provide the
Okay.
guidance.
Okay.
Fresher in the sense 100% place, 100% assurance will be there. Okay, na?
Okay.
Thank you, Satpriya.